Your greatest asset isn't your portfolio, it's your health. Prioritize sleep, mindful movement, and nourishing fuel. These aren't luxuries, they're foundational investments in your energy and focus. Smart wealth isn't just about earning, it's about strategic planning. Automate savings, diversify investments, and continuously learn. Financial clarity reduces stress, freeing up mental bandwidth. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind, enabling better decisions and sustained productivity. Financial security provides peace of mind, allowing you to invest in your well-being without compromise. Embrace this powerful connection. Commit to small, consistent actions today that build both your health and your wealth for a truly abundant tomorrow.